Good afternoon. Welcome to the Division of Continuing Studies at Royal Military College. In this video I'm going to demonstrate some screen recording software and a little program to put text up in a web browser. So I'll show you first what it does now. Live preview. And there's actually an error in it, but that doesn't matter since I'm going to recreate it anyway. So we stop that. We're going to delete the program, Control S to save. And now I'm going to put tag in. This is HTML hypertext markup language. Hello world. And what do we get? There it is, hello world, but rather small and not in color. So let's do something about that. We need a style tag. The style is usually put at the beginning. And this is the cascading style sheet syntax. Div, and we want color, colon, golden, rod, I was hoping dark. We would be getting some dark golden rod. It's not going to be helpful at all. So semicolon to separate the elements, and font size will be 24 point, and Control S, and we've got hello world. Now I'm going to make it bilingual by putting in another div. Bonjour. Bonjour le monde. Control S to save. Update. And as you can see, both divs are colored the same. That's just the way it works. I'm going to do a little beautifying. See what I did there? I go to Edit, and I've got a plugin for this program, the Brackets program, which is free from Adobe Acrobat, or the makers of Adobe Acrobat. Beautify, so probably looks a little better that way. Now I promised you some action, so we've got to put in JavaScript. We put in the script tag, and then we define a variable with a pointer in it to the divs, and we say document dot get element by tag name, because we're going to go by the div tag name. In quote we put div, and semicolon, and then okay. Now we want to take the first div, so we'll say x of 0. You would number divs and arrays and things like that from 0 in JavaScript as in other C languages. 0 dot click equal now what we're doing here is defining a function. Every time you click on the particular div, in this case the first one with hello world in it, a function will execute, and we define that function right here as x of 0 dot text, and this is helpful. Text content is what we're looking for, equals. Now you know what text content is, of course. Here in the div, that would be the hello world. So we want to make that something different, which will be farewell cruel world. And there. And then I will go Control S, and it's complaining about semicolons. There are semicolons missing here. I'm gonna whine if I don't put them in. Control S, and there's document not defined. It will work fine, by the way, without document being defined. Suppose before I do anything else I beautify this. There. Looks a little better now. And to get rid of this other diagnostic error, I have to put in a comment which gives instruction to HTML hint, which you may see there. We want global document, and that's the syntax of a comment in JavaScript, slash star ending with star slash, and it can run over more than one line. See what happens if I got this right. Yes. So we got rid of all the diagnostic problems. Update this. There you are. Now it doesn't work for that because I haven't put any clicker on Bonjour le Monde. And here I click. Every time I click, as a matter of fact, I'm assigning farewell cruel world to that div, which means it doesn't change. So we could go on and put a clicker on Bonjour le Monde. We could change the text content back to hello world. That would require an if statement, but that's enough for this presentation.